Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming another full face of makeup using only an advent calendar video. Is it me or does my voice sound very deep today? It sounds really deep, doesn't it? Oh well. Anyway, today I'm going to be filming one of those, but today I have potentially the cheapest beauty advent calendar that you can buy. This one, let me just get it. This one was £12.50, I think. It was around 12 quid, which is really affordable. Okay, get out my mouth. £12 is very affordable for a beauty advent calendar. This is the Gloss Beauty Advent Calendar and you can get it from Boots. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my makeup using only this. So day number one is this one here. Oh my goodness, I can already tell this is a stiff one. Oh my goodness. What is it made out of? Oh no. Okay, so day number one is a lip gloss and yeah, I mean, I don't have a mirror. Cool, just realised that. Might want to go and get one of those. Okay, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. I mean, it definitely applied quite nicely. It's not really a lip gloss. It's more of like a liquid lipstick or like a lip cream. It's more like a lip cream thing than a lip gloss. But I'm happy about that because I would rather wear something like this than a lip gloss. So I actually think it's pretty good. It's literally like a liquid lipstick. It's dried nice and matte. It was easy to apply. Day number two is, oh, we got a circle. Okay, so day number two is a blusher. It looks like an all right shade. It's kind of like a corally orangey toned blush. So again, not the sort of thing I'd use. I don't even have my brushes. I am so prepared for this video. It's not exactly the sort of shade that I'd go for, but it's all right. Let's give it a go. I'm gonna get my blush brush and put a little bit of that on my cheeks. Oh, you know what? Not bad at all. There we go. So I've now got a little bit of colour in my cheeks and it worked. It was fine. It was fine. Okay, so I'm now going to move on to day number three, which is this one here. Oh, I don't know what it's made out of, but this is some hardcore card. So day number three is a little purple nail polish, and obviously I can't put this on my face. Not bad at all. Day number, oh okay, wow, we've also got something that's just fallen out and popped out the hole, so pop that back in there for now. Don't know where it's come from. Day number four is big. Oh, that was a bit weird. So day number four is one of these things, and yeah, oh my goodness, in the last video I was saying like, oh, nobody really uses them to paint their nails, and everyone was like, Sophie, it's a toe separator, it's for your toenails. I totally knew that, like but you will always get these in a beauty advent calendar. They love to throw these in. So that's day number four. Can't really do my makeup with it. Goodbye. Day number five, we've got a little circle up here. Is this an... Hallelujah. We've got an actual eyebrow product. I feel like this doesn't normally happen in a beauty advent calendar. A brow powder. That's pretty good actually. I can do my eyebrows. It's kind of like a dark brown taupey kind of colour. It's a good shade. I feel like this will be a good shade for me. So I'm just gonna put a bit of that on. Obviously putting a brow powder in is a bit risky because it's not gonna match everyone, but I've just gotten really lucky here that it actually does match me. So they're probably not the best eyebrows I've ever done, but it worked. Like, I don't really have anything bad to say about it. It just did the job. Day number six. Yeah, day number six. Oh, what the... Day number six is an interesting shape. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera, but can you see the outline? It kind of goes like up, out, and then a big square here and then back up. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, so inside day number six is a pair of scissors. It's not that exciting. So, I was like, oh, they don't even work. There's a little thing on the end. There we go. Wow, can't really do my makeup with that. I need to stop opening them near my face. Day number seven. Oh, we've got another circle. Circles are normally promising. They are usually a makeup item. Oh, he's out already. Eyebrow wax. This one's going all out. So not only have we got brow powder, we've also got an eyebrow wax as well to like set it down. It looks a bit shimmery though. I thought this was going to be a cream highlighter for a minute. I can't open the bloody thing. I actually can't. What the hell? Nope. I can't open it. We're in. Yeah, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see on camera, but it's kind of like a champagne-y, shimmery kind of color. I'm gonna give it a go anyway. I'm gonna put a bit of that on top of my eyebrows, make them nice and shimmery. There is a definite shimmer in that. Don't really know why they put that in. Yeah, oh my goodness, it's so shimmery. Have they put the wrong label on this one and it's actually a highlighter? If we do find something that looks like a brow wax and has the sticker saying highlighter, we'll know that they've mixed them up. Yeah, I'm very confused by this, but I've just put a bit on anyway. Day number 8 is a long, thin one down here. Empty. It's a flipping empty one, but I think I can feel it hanging down here at the bottom. Oh. Ow. Okay, it's a little brush. I don't really know what I'd use this for. It's just kind of like a brush like that. I don't think that'll be that good for eyeshadow. Day number 9 is this one here. We'll give them points for originality, but also, ow! I don't think I'd ever really use this. I mean, to be honest, it might be useful now to get my fringe out my face. Oh no, we're not gonna do that. If you wear these kind of things, there you go. You get a little clip. It just looks like this. Day number 10, we've got this one up here. Oh no, look who it is. It's our good friend, the nail file. Oh, it's fallen out. It's made its way all the way to the bottom. There we go. Love a nail file. I'm gonna have so many of these by the end of this series because every single beauty advent calendar comes with a nail file. This one's nothing special. We've had glittery ones. We've had one that's in the shape of a rabbit, personal fave, but this one is just a black nail file. So, but again, I can't use this to do my makeup. We're lacking makeup products suddenly. Like, I need something else to put on my face. So day number 11. Oh, okay, so we've got a little eyeshadow. It's a like shimmery bronzy color, I think. It now has no lid. There we go. Yeah, you just get a little like shimmery bronze. That lid is not gonna stay. Right, bye. We don't need you anyway. Okay. That actually works so well. That's actually a really decent like shimmer shade. Obviously I don't have anything else on my eyes yet, but hopefully I can add in some kind of matte stuff through my crease as we go along. I'm still not entirely sure what the color is. It's just kind of coming out as kind of like a silvery color, I guess, like a shimmery silver. Day number 12 is this one. Ooh, we've got another lip product. So this is another lip gloss, which is actually a like lip cream, liquid lipstick kind of thing. But this one is probably more my kind of color. It's like a little bit more nudie. I like this color. I really like that color now, so they work well together. Day number 13 is this one here. Ooh, we got another nail polish. I don't even know what color that is. It's like it looks like silver mixed with gold. Day number 14 is up here. Oh, nice. Oh, it's broken. A bronzer, yay! I was gonna say, like, are we getting a bronzer in this one? Because I need it. I'm gonna give it a go. Try not get it everywhere. Oh dear, you poor thing. Oh, wow, hi. Comes out quite strong, this one. What? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Uh-oh. Okay, so it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it came out very strong, so you only need a really tiny bit of that. And it's very warm toned, like it's just far too warm for me. Day number 15. Oh, that's a very small one. I think that's the smallest one we've had. Oh, some tweezers. Yay, some little... Oh, he popped off, didn't he? Some little black tweezers, and I literally have nothing to say. They are literally just a pair of tweezers. Day number 16 is this one. But nothing's fallen out. So day number 16 is quite literally nothing. Moving on, day number 17 is, here he is. Day number 17 is this little square here. Oh, a pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener, again, they always come in these advent calendars. You're always going to get one of them, but I can't really use it right now. In fact, I don't think I've even had any pencil products that I can sharpen, so yay. Day number 18 is this one. Yay, an item. So this is another eyeshadow, and it's another shimmer one. Oh, I need a matte. Oh, for goodness sake. This is like a shimmery brown colour, so let's just try it out and put a little bit like on the edge. I don't know, it's still a shimmer, so I can't really do too much with it. Do you know what? It's actually all right. It's a nice like shimmery brown colour. It's going on all right. It seems to be doing the job. These shimmers actually work pretty well considering they're just from advent calendars. Normally in these videos, the eyeshadows just don't really show up, like they're not pigmented at all. But these seem to be working quite well. Day number 19 is over here. Oh, another one. Yay, I like these. Another lip gloss, which is actually a liquid lipstick. Slightly darker nudie colour, but it's kind of got a sort of like a mauvey tint to it, I'd say. I probably shouldn't put this one on top as well, but we all know I'm going to. What? My lips have gone bright. This is my favourite one of the three. And also, if you put them all on together, oh, I mean, I wouldn't recommend it because it feels a little bit uncomfortable. It's getting a little bit cakey, just a little bit. But it does make a really nice colour. I feel like every time I add one on, the colour gets better. I'm actually really liking that shade. It just feels very like, I like it. Day number 20 is this one. So this is a highlighter. Okay, yeah. It's kind of like a goldy, champagne-y kind of colour. And, ooh. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's good. That is a really good highlighter. I'm now going to move on to the next one, obviously. Day number 21 is here. Ow, that hurt. My ears just started ringing. Cool, wait a minute. Stop, please. And we're good. Day number 21, which is actually my lucky number, 21, as I've said. It's another empty one. I'm not even kidding, it's empty. I found it. I found it though, it's fine. Okay, I mean, I wouldn't have really cared if I didn't find it, 'cause don't really have much use for these, but day number 21 is, I think, this brush. I mean, it makes sense because it had fallen out, but yeah, another brush. It's very similar to the other one. Day 22, I think we have a matte brown eyeshadow. My prayers have been answered. Oh, I've accidentally opened another one. Get back in there. No, oh no, I've spoilt it. Although, what was that? 22, we have an eyeshadow. It's a matte brown colour. I'm just going to pop a bit of this through my crease, and then it should be a decent eyeshadow look actually, hopefully. I got all excited, but it's not really showing up, but it is sprinkling all over my face, so that's nice. Love a bit of fallout me. Yeah, unfortunately that doesn't really do much. What I might do is take the darker brown from the eyebrow powder and just try and put a little bit of that through my crease. Yeah, I mean, that's working a little bit better. It's showing up a bit more. Okay, so day number 23, which I actually got a little sneaky peek of just then because it popped out, but I managed to put it back in. I like these. Wow. I guess they're little handbands. A handband. I'm guessing they are hair bands. It looks like they are. They're really stretchy. I've never had anything like this before. I could do with a mascara, but apart from that, I don't need anything else. So hopefully it's a mascara. It looks promising because it looks like a mascara kind of size. Do you know what I mean? It's like a long one like that. Day number 24 is this. That flap is getting on my tits. Day number 24. Please be a mascara. Then we've got a full face. That's not a mascara. I feel like that's a bit disappointing for the final day. Just like a little... Oh my god. Anyway, Day number 24 is a brush. I feel like that's a little bit rubbish. I feel like day number 24, which is the final one, should be like a makeup item, but you get a brush. I guess this is for like blush or whatever you want. That's a bit of a shame, and it means that yet again I don't have mascara at the end of one of these videos. But anyway, this is my makeup done. I feel like it looks better than the last one. Overall, I feel like for £12.50, it's an alright advent calendar. Some of them were a little bit questionable, but most of them worked really well. But yeah, not too bad. I would say if you want like a really cheap beauty advent calendar just for something to open, something that's a little bit of fun, go for this one. That is the video done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you do want me to do more of these. I'm thinking of doing a Makeup Revolution one. I kind of want to get the MAC one, but it's out of stock at the moment. But if it comes back, I will break my bank and try an expensive one, because we've done cheapest, so I feel like we need to do an expensive one. Any more that you want me to do, just comment them down below and I'll have a read through them all and pick some. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.